In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple split screen in DaVinci Resolve using two video clips side by side. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline, stacked, one on top of the other. Your top clip should be on video track 2 and the bottom clip on video track 1. Select the top clip, then open the inspector. Under the Transform section, adjust the position X value to move your subject to the right side of the screen. Next, scroll down to the Cropping section in the inspector. Increase the Crop Left setting until the left edge of the clip reaches the center of the frame. This will remove the left half of the image and reveal the bottom clip underneath. Now, select the bottom clip. Again, in the Transform section, adjust position X to move the subject into the left side of the screen. And that's it. You've created a clean split screen in DaVinci Resolve using two video clips side by side.